Good morning. This is Mr. Eshelman. It's Friday, April 24th, 2020, our last day of the week for our first week of online learning using our laptops and iPads and Schoology and Seesaw. Hopefully things are going well for you and you're learning some things and being able to interact with your teachers. And we'll be able to continue to do that even more throughout the coming weeks as we start to roll towards summer and get ready for our next school year. Looks like the next couple of days might be a little chilly and a little cloudy, maybe a little rainy. And you know what they say, April showers bring May flowers. And 1 week from today, next Friday, will be May 1st. So April is winding down as we're gearing up with our online learning. So keep up the good work and let us know how we can help you out along the way. Birthdays today, just one. Mrs. Plaxon, one of our school nurses, has a birthday today. So happy birthday to her. Tomorrow, Saturday, April 25th, we have one birthday. Alana in fourth grade has a birthday tomorrow. And on Sunday, April 26th, we have a first grader. Jackson has a birthday on Sunday. So happy birthday to all of them. And today we're going to bring back one of our teacher features. This was recorded a couple weeks ago, back before Easter. So you'll hear some references in there to an Easter egg hunt. That's because this was recorded a couple weeks ago and was on our teacher feature back a little while ago when we started this on morning announcements. But since not everybody was able to see it back then, I decided to bring those back so more people would have a chance to catch up with some of the teachers at Denver Elementary School. So today's teacher feature is with fifth grade teacher, Miss Campbell. Let's welcome our second guest on the teacher feature, fifth grade teacher, Miss Campbell. How's it going over there, Miss Campbell?
Hey guys, we're doing all right.
What have you been up to so far since the last time we saw you at school?
Well, I've been walking my dog Foles a lot. He's been loving that I've been home. I've been doing some reading and some projects around the house. So just trying to stay busy.
Yeah, what have you read anything anything that would be a good recommendation for kids or parents? Anything good, Campbell?
I can't even think of the title off the top of my head.
That's all right. That's all right. If you think of it, you could post it or something. I'm sure they can hear it.
Sounds good.
So over the past couple weeks, we've been home for a while. Kids have been trying to get some work done, trying to figure out how to stay busy and entertained and active and engaged so that they don't get bored and run out of things to do. Do you have any good ideas to keep them going, keep them active and energized?
Well, I've been practicing my dance moves, so when we get back to Denver, Mr. Eckhart and I can have a dance off.
Yeah, I remember those dance contests. They used to occur outside my classroom on AC on the way to phys ed class.
Yeah, another idea would be to learn how to make your own lunches. So you're not like Mr. B. Maybe learn to do your own laundry.
Yeah, we have some laundry in right now. Fridays, as we're recording this on Friday here, that's Towels Day at our house. So we have the towels going right now. Actually, the dishwasher's going too. We're using a lot of water right now.
Oh, man.
Yeah. So how is Foles? Is he doing pretty well today?
Yes, he's doing great.
That's some nice days to get outside here this week, and hopefully we'll have some good days in the next couple of weeks, and the weather keeps getting warmer and warmer. So, what other things do you have on the horizon? Anything that's coming up that you have? Do you have any exciting plans? I know we can't do too much with the restrictions and the stay-at-home orders and social distancing, but are there any things that you have as far as within those parameters that keep you entertained?
Well, next week I'm going to have an Easter egg hunt for Foles. I think that'll be fun. So I think that'll be great for everyone else.
Real eggs or plastic eggs? Or?
Plastic, and then there's going to be like treats inside. So I'll have to watch to make sure he doesn't eat the actual egg.
That's what I was thinking. I know. Some dogs might eat the plastic egg part of it, and to get to the treat inside.
Yeah, so we'll see how that goes.
All right. Any last things you want to share before we let you go today, Miss Campbell?
Just keep the faith, keep learning, keep staying energized, and hopefully we see you soon.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us today, Miss Campbell, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, bye.
All right, our questions of the day then have to do with conversions, converting from one unit to another. It's a common math skill that we do, especially in the older grades. So the first question says, how many pints are in 3 gallons? So how many pints are in 1 gallon? And then three of them, multiply by three. And then the second question says, how many inches are in 3 yards? There's a variety of ways to do that. Those numbers are a little bit bigger because there's a pretty large number of inches in 1 yard. And then you have to triple it to figure out how many are in 3 yards. So if you get a chance to answer those questions, feel free to send me your answers throughout the day on Seesaw or Schoology. And then we have 2 student jokes today. The first one comes from one of our second grade friends. And this joke says, why did mom throw butter across the room? Because she wanted to see butterflies. Butter flying across the room, butterflies. And then the second joke today is from one of our third grade friends. Her joke was, when the dad dog came home from work, his pup asked, how was your day at work? Dad dog answered, it was rough. Get it? Rough. That's the sound a dog makes when it barks. That's a pretty good one. These are some good jokes. Keep them coming. We like these jokes. I like seeing them when they pop up throughout the day on Seesaw and on Schoology. So keep them coming. We'll get them on the announcements and give us a little bit of a smile as we start off each day and start getting to work. So now let's stand up and face the flag for the Pledge of Allegiance this Friday morning. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So have a great weekend. Let us know how we can help you out throughout the day with your schoolwork or if you're having trouble with technology. And we look forward to seeing you again on Monday. Happy Friday.